My name is Meher. I am 28 years old. I am married. My husband's name is Zavian. He is 30 years old. We have been married for 5 years. Zavian is a kind man. He loves me. He takes care of me. He helps me when I am sick. He makes food for me. He never speaks loudly. He never gets angry. He never raises his hand. He always listens to me. He always respects me. But Zavian does not earn much money. He works hard. He works in construction. He works long hours. He earns around $2,500 a month. But this money is not enough. I also work. I have a good job. I earn $5,000 a month. I earn more than Zavian. He feels bad about this. I tell him, start a business. He says, I don't know how. I love Zavian, but sometimes I feel angry. I want a better life. I want more. We do not have a big house. We do not have a nice car. We do not have a business. We live in a small apartment. We do not have expensive things. Every day I tell him, you are not like other men. Other men buy gifts for their wives. Other men have big houses. Other men have businesses. You are not a good husband. Zavian listens. He does not say anything, but I see sadness in his eyes. Zavian earns $2,500 a month. He gives $1,200 to his parents. He gives me $1,300. It is not enough. I need more. I feel sad and angry. One day, Zavian comes home late. I ask him, where were you? He says, I was looking for another job. I feel happy. Did you find a job? He says, no, but I will keep trying. The next day, Zavian wakes up early. He goes out before sunrise. He comes home after sunset. He looks tired. He says, I found a second job. I will work at a restaurant at night. I will earn $2,000 more. I feel happy. Good job. Zavian works 2 jobs now. He wakes up early. He comes home late. He has no time to rest. He has no time to talk. He has no time to smile. One night, Zavian comes home. He looks weak. His hands are shaking. He falls down. I scream, Zavian, what happened? He says, I'm just tired. I feel scared. I take him to the hospital. The doctor says he is exhausted. He needs rest. I feel guilty. I cry. I hold Zavian's hand. I'm sorry. Zavian smiles. Don't cry, my love. I realized something. Zavian does not need to be rich. Zavian does not need to buy gold. Zavian does not need a fancy car. Zavian is a good husband. Zavian loves me. Zavian takes care of me. That is enough. I hold Zavian's hand. I love you. He smiles. I love you too. Money is important, but love is more important. I will never compare Zavian to other men